Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to recover damaged external hard drive, full guide. Begin by disconnecting the drive and noting any unusual noises, then avoid repeated power cycles that can worsen damage. Work on a clean, static-free surface and prepare a separate healthy computer for recovery attempts. Gather basic tools and a stable power supply, and prioritize cloning the drive before running any repair utilities to protect your data. Use read-only diagnostics first to understand whether the issue is logical or physical, and never write to the damaged drive. If possible, create a sector-by-sector clone to a larger healthy drive to preserve data integrity before any repairs. Run recovery tools on the clone, use file carving to retrieve orphan files, and verify recovered files on the healthy computer. Keep detailed notes on steps taken and file names recovered for organization. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which adds helpful voice controls and clear audio while you work on recoveries. I like using it to set timers and play calm music during long processes. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Mechanical noises like grinding or clicking usually mean physical failure and require professional intervention. Powering the drive repeatedly risks total loss. Avoid opening the drive outside a cleanroom since dust and particles can cause irreversible damage. For prevention, schedule regular backups, use smart monitoring, and handle drives gently. If you suspect physical damage, stop further DIY attempts, document symptoms, and consult a reputable data recovery service to maximize chances of retrieval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.